Hi, I'm Dr. Mindy Engler from Estes Audiology, and I'm answering the question, how often should I have a hearing test? A hearing test is recommended any time you have concerns about a change in your hearing or general hearing loss initially, and then after that, at least annually. The reason for that is that you will not always know that you've had a change in your hearing that would be sufficient to indicate changes in your hearing aid settings or even change the status of whether hearing aids are recommended or if you need to see a doctor or physician. So if you already have a known hearing loss, an annual hearing test is recommended. For a complete list of our locations, visit our website at hearlifeagain.com.